Welcome to Qiggz.com. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of managing vendor interactions and completing a gig on Qiggz.com. Let's get started. In your poster dashboard, you'll see all your active gigs. To get started, click on the gig you want to manage. This will open the Gig Details panel on the right side. From here, you can view a list of vendors suggested by Qiggz who are located near your area and have the skills you requested in your gig. You can select up to 5 vendors and invite them to view your gig and apply if interested. To learn more about a vendor, click the View Profile button to review their services, images of past work, and ratings from previous clients. This helps you choose the most suitable professionals to invite. To invite a vendor, click on the Send Invite button. This will send an invitation to the vendor, and you can track all communications in your inbox. If a vendor applies directly to your gig, you'll receive a message in your inbox. In your inbox, you'll see all vendor applications and conversations. Application chats are sorted according to the latest message received time, making it easier to stay updated with your most recent discussions. You can also filter messages by gig title or keywords, skills, of your posted gig to quickly find relevant chats. Additionally, you can search for specific vendors by name to view their messages directly. From the inbox, you can chat with vendors, ask questions, and discuss project details to find the best fit for your skills, budget, and requirements. Once a vendor completes the work and you're satisfied, it's time to close the gig. On the Gig Details page, locate the Slide to Mark as Done bar and slide it to close the gig. After closing, you'll see a list of all vendors who either applied or were invited to the gig. Select the vendor who completed the work, and you'll be directed to the Review section. Here, you can rate the vendor and write a review. Your feedback helps vendors build their reputation and assists other posters in selecting reliable professionals. That's how simple it is to manage vendor interactions, complete a gig, and leave feedback on Qiggz.com. Thanks for watching.